Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ronel, and today's video, I'm gonna be doing a birthday haul. So in case you don't know, kaka-birthday ko lang. I just turned 30 something last September 26. So today I'll be sharing with you the stuff that I got. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, let's start off with this plant which I got from my cousin. She gave me this as an advanced birthday gift and super natuwa ako kasi nasa wishlist ko to na magkaroon ng peace lily, and wala, I'm super happy lang kasi finally got one. So next up guys is probably the biggest item that I got, and it is this beautiful Asahi electric fan. It's part of their aesthetic design collection. We got this from Lazada for around 2,900 something, and we actually got another one for my sister, birthday gift ng mom ko. And this one, I'm still thinking if magsisettle siya dito sa room ko or lilipat siya sa kitchen namin kasi bagay din siya sa kitchen namin. And I super love it. I love the design. Super simple and minimalist. And siguro pag magkaroon ako ng enough money, I'll buy one for my mom's room and for her living room. And alam niyo naman, these days, everything has to look aesthetically pleasing. Or ako lang ba yun? So the next item guys is from Metro Sunnies. I got this from their official Shopee store. And binili ko to kasi parang kapeg niya yung mga suot na lateyong sa Dynamite music video. I got this for only 450 pesos and mukhang matibay naman siya. And this is how it looks like. It's called the Linda Clear Glasses. Clear glasses lang siya, tapos yung metal frame niya is color champagne. So let me try this on. Diba? Super nice. So the next two paper bags are from Dior. And I'm super thankful to one of my schoolmates sa Fashion Institute of the Philippines kasi she gave me the contact number of Dior Podium. And thank you rin sa nag-assist sa akin kasi she gave me samples, like ang daming samples na in-include niya sa paper bag. So guys, let's start off with the samples that she gave me. Ayan, ang dami nila. She included this one essential serum, and also this micro nutritive concentrate. Parang serum din yata to, wala akong idea. And perfumes for men. And my favorite is the Sauvage. Nasa wishlist ko na siya. And also Miss Dior, the perfume. And she also gave me this Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. And may tatlong shades sa loob. I'm not into primers, so... And now guys, here's what I got from Dior. These are lip products. I got two Dior Addict Lip Glow. Ito yung limited edition nila na Dior Addict Lip Glow. It's called the Dior Mania Edition. And yung shade niya is 001, which is universal. So guys, this is how it looks like. Ayan. Color pink lang siya. Yung difference nito sa normal packaging ng Dior Lip Glow is yung mga logo na nakapalibot. Kasi yung normal packaging, silver lang yan. Walang nakalagay na Dior logo. Ayan. Diba? It's so nice. So the next item guys is probably my newest favorite from Dior, and it's a lip glow oil. I super love this kasi napaka-moisturizing niya talaga sa lips. Parang lip balm siya pero oil yung... Ano tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. And ayan siya guys. Coral yung shade niya. And ang laki ng doe foot applicator niya. Ayan o. Super laki. Tapos napaka-comfortable niya sa lips. Unlike other oils or lip balms or lip gloss. Tapos hindi rin ganun ka-intense yung tint niya. Ayan. Parang wala lang. Subtle lang. That's why I really like it. Lasang vanilla siya, tapos parang may mint. Parang malamig sa lips. May cooling effect. Yun. So, I super love this. Siguro, bibili rin ako ng ibang shades nito. And guys, for the last item from Dior, I got this super duper hard to get Dior Forever Perfect Cushion. This is also limited edition kasi it's also part of the Dior Mania edition. Ayan. Siguro nakita niyo na to kila Heart Evangelista or sa ibang influencer. Ayan. Tapos yung packaging niya, like, parang yung nakikita nyo sa Dior bags, like the Dior Vuitton, or yung friendship bracelets nila. Parang sa Dior oblique na print. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Diba? Super nice. And when you open it, may mirror siya and may nakalagay na forever. And Christian Dior. Hindi ko pa siya i-open. Ayoko munang gamitin kasi may cushion pa naman ako. I've been wanting to have this mula nung nilaunch nila. Kaso guys, parating sold out. Meron sa mga personal shopper pero grabe yung price nila. Nasa 7,000. Diba? Grabe malman naman. Diba? So, if I were you guys, kung gusto nyo nito, try nyo na lang i-contact sa Dior Podium kasi kaka-dating lang nito. Nung nag-text na yung SA ko na, sir, siguro by September 20 something, darating daw to. Sabi ko, perfect timing kasi mag-birthday ako. So, ayun. Nag-reserve siya ng isa for me. So, the next item, guys, is from Louis Vuitton. It came in this paper bag and inside is, of course, the receipt. And this is the box that it came with. And it also comes with a dust bag and this product sticker or product code. And this is actually a fashion jewelry or an accessory. And can you guess what's inside? And kung kilala nyo ako, you know na I really love bracelets. So bracelet to. It's a leather bracelet and ta-da! So guys, here's a closer look of the bracelet. Let me just remove the sticker. There. I chose this because I love stocking bracelets and most of my bracelets are yellow gold. So feeling ko bagay talaga siya and monogram lang yung leather bracelet niya. Actually, it's a combination of leather and canvas. And ayan, yung hardware niya, I don't know if nakikita nyo, may nakalagay lang na Louis Vuitton and logo. Tapos dito yung mga fleur lang na symbol ng Louis Vuitton. So to open this, you just have to press this. Ayan. So there. So nice. I love the design. It's minimalist, super simple. And I think babagay siya sa lahat ng damit ko. Kasi more on white lang naman ako and mga earth tones like nude, khaki, ganon. I love it. I super love it. And lastly guys, I finally got my Google Adsense pin. You know, I waited for like 6 months or 7 months for this. Natutuwa talaga ako kasi nagdasal ako na sana dumating siya before my birthday. And ayun na nga, dumating siya a week before my birthday. And natatawa nga ako kasi nung dumating to, akala ng mom ko, yung marireceive ko na money from YouTube ay almost 100 or 200,000. Sabi ko, wow, sana. Kasi akala niya kung ilang views yung meron kasi YouTube, yun din yung makukuha mo. Well, sana nga, diba? Pero it's not the case. And hindi kasi ang laki sa inaakala nyo yung makukuha ko sa YouTube. Pero yung nafe-feel ko is para akong pumasa sa isang exam. Kasi you know, when I started being active on YouTube, hindi ko naman in-expect na after 4 months, mamamonetize agad and magkakaroon ng ads. And nung January nga or parang February, nag-message sila na nag-send na sila ng letter. Eh kaso nga, nagka-pandemic, nagka-lockdown. So, natagalan to. Actually, dumating siya sa Manila June 23 pa. I don't know if nakikita nyo. Ayan. But since nag-lockdown nga, ayun, dumating siya nitong September lang. Pero happy talaga ako kasi I feel like ang hirap mag-YouTube, ang hirap mag-edit, ang hirap mag-film, and parang reward na rin to sa'yo. It's not that you're just after the money. It's not. Kasi kung money lang, napakaliit ang makukuha ko dito. Super. Pero ayun na, wala. Parang may na-achieve ka lang or parang pumasa ka lang sa isang exam na hindi mo ina-expect na papasa ka. So, I'm just super thankful and grateful. So, that's it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You may also follow me on Instagram, that's @RNLTS. And thank you again for watching. God bless us all. Bye!